What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. This is Sunny from Sunny Tech Tips 2.0, and today I'm going to be showing you how to watch free movies and TV shows on your Fire Stick with Roku channels. That's right, you can get Roku channels right on your Fire Stick, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get it. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorial content like this. Like the video and share it with their friends and family so they can take advantage of this stuff as well. It's all free, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is make sure you're on the home screen, and then you want to slide over to the magnifying glass. Right underneath it, you'll see where it says find. You want to go to the search bar. We're going to hit OK. Once you get to the search bar, you want to just type in Roku. So I'm going to type it in. You can see it on my screen. We'll type it in nice and slow here so you can follow along if you're following along. And once you type in Roku, you'll see on the second one down, it says Roku channel. So go there, you'll see it'll highlight it in white, and then you're gonna hit OK. And it'll bring you right to the Roku channels, hit OK. And right over here where you see the cloud on the left hand side, that means I downloaded it before. I deleted it for tutorial purposes, but you'll probably see install or get. You're gonna go ahead and hit OK there. And you can see right in the description, it says Roku channels free TV for your home. You got Hollywood hits, you got TV show 24/7, live news, sports, music, entertainment, kids. It's got 400, 500 plus channels on it, so it's got tons and tons of content. I'm not gonna go too detailed into the display itself, but I'll give you a quick tutorial how to use it, how to get started. Now, when you first log in, it gives you an option. You can sign up with an account. What's the benefit? Well, you can, if you leave a video where you left off a movie or TV show, you can continue watching. You can access it throughout your old devices. And what that means is if you have this downloaded on other applications, other devices, if you're watching a movie you left off at 1:20, you can start up right back up on your iPad or something. Also, it gives you more recommendations and things like that. So I'm just gonna do maybe later, so we don't make this prolonged. But if you want to sign up, just hit sign in or create a free account. All right. So we'll go maybe later. You can see there's tons of movies over here. You got live TV. I'm not gonna go into it because it brings you right to the TV guide. You got TV guide over here. You can search. You can type in a search command. Look for whatever you're looking for here. You got TV channels, TV series. Excuse me. You got movies, kids and family. You got categories. Now the categories you could go into movies, Latino, horror, food, crime, investigation, reality, anime. So it's got tons of stuff. It's got a huge selection of anime as well if you're an anime fan. And then you got the originals, all right? And then you can just go into the account. You can personalize some of the things. You can change the display on it if you wanted to. But that's basically a quick tutorial for you guys for more free TV shows, movies. It's got live content like news. It's got sports, anime, kids, and family. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.